Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Toyota Supra, only way. Start by sketching simple shapes, a long hood, cabin, and rounded fenders to establish proportions. Add a centerline and wheelbase marks, then block wheels with circles for alignment. Refine the roofline, windows, and signature rear spoiler, and tighten panels gradually. Use bold lines for final contours, erase construction marks, and shade lightly to suggest curvature and highlights. Use a simple grid to place the Supra's proportions accurately. Begin with a rectangle for the body, divide into thirds, and mark wheel centers. Reference photos help match roof height and hood length, adjust until balanced. Lightly sketch headlight and grille positions, then block doors and fenders with simple shapes. Keep strokes loose at first, then refine lines and details once the proportions feel confident and stable for better results. Quick recommendation: if meal prep is part of your routine, these leak-proof containers make packing snacks easy, spill-free, and stack neatly, perfect for drawing sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so more tutorials arrive. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them. They keep your sketch snacks safe while you focus on lines and proportions. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on signature details like the rounded fenders, pop-up style headlight cues, and rear spoiler profile to capture Supra character. Use cross-contour lines to show panel curvature and add light hatching for gradual shading. Blend highlights by leaving white paper edges and use an eraser to lift graphite for reflections. Emphasize wheel design and tire stance, and balance dark tones with mid-tones so the car looks sculpted and alive now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.